drop your rods here so you don't touch the spray into it.
Yeah.
Just like you're doing. Perfect. He's frisky. That little bee's a killer. Look at that bite. That's awesome. Oh, yeah. Good work. Just like that. That's it. Here goes the anchor. Where you at? There we go. All right. Oh, it's a beauty. Just like you're doing. All right. There you go. Rod to the right a little bit, yeah. Bring them on back. Right on now. Okay, you're doing great, buddy. Just keep coming. Reel down, get a little bit, and then pull up gently. Oh, I can't get him. Now, keep coming, keep coming, keep. Oh. That's gonna happen right there. Now, over my head a little bit. Now, pull over to me. Pull, 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 pull. I got it, buddy. I think it's going home with you. It is. Give me a little. Jeff. Buddy. Oh, wow.
All right, there you go. When the GoPro got it, we're good.
Give me one picture. We didn't have the camera on. That's okay. That was good. Yeah, me and my Steelhead. That was awesome. So I watched 3 or 4 setups, but got a fish. How are you doing?
I lost one for you.
Rookie mistake today. I do not know. Keep going. Get from here. Reel up some line and lift up a little bit. Nice and easy. Then it'll come back here. One more time. Come on, bring him on back here. You got it. Bring him on over here, right over my head. Got it. Go ahead and give me some line. That's a go home fish. Nice. Beautiful. Work. That was exciting. There's that. Yeah.
Nice one.
Oh, that's a good shot. You landed safe. Caught 2 fish.